Damn son, I got that heat, let's go.
What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So we know that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is coming out in a few months. And since I've been using the Galaxy Z Fold 2 since the release date, I want to give you guys 5 things that I want to see on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, kind of my wish list. Even though we know that some of these things may come and may not come, but it's only my wish list. And I believe Samsung might add some of these features that I'm going to tell you in this video. So let's go on and get with it. Sit back, relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So before I give you my top 5 things that I want to see on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, let me give you an overview on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. This is one of my favorite phones. This device here is beautiful, true and true. It's a powerful device, and Samsung did it right with this one. Compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 1, which I'm going to touch base on a little bit in this video. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 gives you a nice stiff hinge that's been working very good. And by the way, the screen protector that I have on this device is still holding up to this day. So I've been having the screen protector on here for a few months now. I think about 2 months. And it's a matte screen protector, and it's been holding up in the front, the back, and in the inner display. I would leave that link down in the description if you want to see me pull off the old screen protector, put the new screen protector on. But overall, this device has been a powerful device. It's been my workhorse, true and true. It's been my business device and my play device. Okay, so let's talk about it. My wish list for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The first thing I want to see Samsung do is make the cover display bigger. Even though we like the cover display here, and they made it bigger from the Galaxy Z Fold 1, but I think it needs to be a little bigger. Listen, I want to see Samsung come all the way over here to make this a full display. And look, here's the thing, even though it's a tall display, I want to see Samsung widen it up a little bit because I think the narrow display is good, but if Samsung just widen it out a little bit, just kind of go edge to edge with the cover display, I think it's going to be awesome. Also, 120 Hertz. Now we know that the inner display has 120 Hertz, but the outer display is only a 60 Hertz display. So we want to see a consistency with the cover display and the inner display. So I want to see a bigger display here, even though it's a 6+ inch display, but I want to see it go all the way edge to edge, pretty much the same height, but I want to kind of see it a little wide. Give us a little more width on the cover display and make it 120 Hertz. That's number 1 when it comes down to my wish list for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So before I talk about the second thing on my wish list, let's get the usual suspects out the way. We know that Samsung is going to give you the 888 processor, 12, 16 gigs of RAM. The storage option will be between 256 gigs, possible 512 gigs. We know we're not gonna get no SD card support and stuff like that. So we go get the usual suspects when it comes down to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Also, when it comes down to the pen, look, I've been using a pen support on my cover display and using no features on my Galaxy Z Fold 2 already. So I'm already anticipating on the pen that's coming with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now we know that Samsung is probably going to have more of a rubber tip because we know that the inner display is a plastic display, so you can't put a fine tip like this on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 because of that. Now when it come down to me using pen support, I've been using it already on my Galaxy Z Fold 2. I made a video about it, check it out. I will probably leave that link down in the description, but we already know that Samsung will put the usual suspects in the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So coming in at number 2 of my wish list for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is design. Look, I got the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This design is absolutely amazing. I would like to see Samsung do the same design of the Galaxy S21 Ultra or Galaxy S21 design on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now look at this design. This is a beautiful design on the Galaxy S21, and I love this black color, so hopefully Samsung will make that same color. Also the thinness. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is a thick device, along with the Z Fold 1. It's a very thick device. I would love to see Samsung make this device thinner. See if we can try to get that camera a little flush. Make this device thinner because it is a heavy, thick device. Hopefully Samsung will make this device thinner because it needs to be. So when it comes down to it, I think Samsung has a challenge to try to make the Galaxy Z Fold 3 a better looking device and a thinner looking device. Let's talk about the third thing on my wish list for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is storage. We know that the device will not have SD card support. For over $2,000, this device should have 512 gigs of storage. Now, when the first Galaxy Z Fold had 512 gigabytes of storage, and it was great, true and true. Then when the second Z Fold came out, it only had 256 gigs of internal storage. Hopefully Samsung will put back the 512 gigs of internal storage on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And the reason why is because this device is going to be a device that you're going to hold on for longevity. This is not a device that you're just going to keep, buying and buying and buying. This is a device that you're going to have for a very long time. And storage is very important. So I would love to see Samsung put back the 512 gigabytes of storage back on this device. So let's talk about number 4 on my wish list. I would love to see the Galaxy Z Fold 3 with the Galaxy S21 Ultra cameras. Look, man, I am ultimately impressed over the Galaxy S21 cameras. I would love to see the same camera array and the software ported over from this device to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, the Galaxy S21 Ultra cameras are just mind-blowing. I would love to see that. Also, 8K. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 doesn't have 8K recording. I would love to see 8K recording along with the 512 gigabytes of storage on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And the reason why is because, look, when you open it up, you got a huge canvas. A lot of people use it for filming. It would be nice that Samsung put the 8K recording on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So better cameras and 8K recording is a must on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. I would love to see that. The camera arrays on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is good. Don't get me wrong, I've done camera reviews with this device and it was shocking to me. It was very good. As you can see, the footage coming out of this device is really good, but it's not ultra premium quality good. I would like to see Samsung put the Galaxy S21 Ultra cameras on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And coming in at number 5, the unboxing experience. The Galaxy Z Fold 1 gave you everything. Galaxy Buds, the charger. It gave you a case, a premium case in the box. It let you know that this was the ultra premium device when you open the box. While the Galaxy Z Fold 2 did not do that. It did not do that. It did not give you the Galaxy Buds. It did not give you the case. It did not give you anything. And the device was priced higher than the Galaxy Z Fold 1. So if the Galaxy Z Fold 1 can give you 512 gigs of internal storage, it gives you a case, a premium unboxing experience. I would love to see a premium unboxing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. I mean, because this is going to be a over $2,000 device. And Samsung shouldn't fail us on this. We should have a premium unboxing experience. So that's my wish list of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Hopefully Samsung will hear our call. Hopefully Samsung will give us the ultra premium device, especially at the price point. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 in all its glory. And what is your wish list for the Galaxy Z Fold 3? See you guys on the next video. Peace.